Good morning, students. This is your computer class, and if you remember, in the last class we had done the introduction part from your second chapter. Okay, so today we'll be learning about moving or copying data from one drive to another. Moving or copying data from its source, which is original location, to another drive is used to create a manual backup or duplicate copy of important files. So when we copy or move data from its original source, original location, to another drive, why we do it? It is used to create a manual backup. We do it to create a manual backup or duplicate copy of important files. To move or copy data, we follow the given steps. The first step, double click the computer icon on the desktop. There is a computer icon on the desktop. We will first double click the computer icon on the desktop. A window appears showing disk drives. When we double click on the computer icon, a window appears. The window looks like this. Like there's a picture given over there. In the similar manner, a window opens on the computer. It will be showing disk drives with CD or DVD drives and removable devices. Now step 2. Select the file or folder you want to copy or move from a drive. So you choose a drive, whichever drive you choose. You open it, you give a double click on the drive, and you choose a folder or file from that drive which you want to copy or move. Now on step 3, right click on the selected file or folder and select cut or copy option. So in step 3, what you will do is you will give a right click on the mouse on the folder or file, and you will get the option of cut or copy. If you cut the folder, if you click on the cut option, the folder or the file will be moved from the drive to another place where you want to paste it. But if you click on the copy option, the drive or the folder will remain at its original place, and you will be copying its duplicate file to another drive or folder. Now step number 4. Select a drive where you want to copy or move the selected file. So in step number 4, you will be selecting a drive or a folder where you want to copy or move the earlier file which you had selected in step number 3. Now step number 5, right click and select paste option. So you open the drive or a folder where you want to copy or move the earlier file. You give a right click on that folder or drive, and there's an option given over there where you can see paste written, and you give a click over there on the paste, and the file or folder is pasted on that drive or folder. Now another topic is moving or copying data between storage devices. We know that pen drives, hard disks, memory disks or memory cards, and CDs are some of the external storage devices. We already know that pen drives, hard disks, memory cards and CDs are some of the external storage devices. To move or copy data from one device to another, follow the given steps. Step number 1. Double click the computer icon on the desktop. Again, you have to double click on the computer icon on the desktop. A new window appears. Okay, there's a window that appears on the screen of the desktop. Step number 2. Double click on the local disk D drive. A new screen appears. Now in step number 2, you will give a double click, right click, okay, double right click on the local disk which is D drive. Okay, a new screen appears after that. Step number 3. Select the files and folders you want to transfer and right click on them. Again, you will select the files or folder in the local disk D which you want to copy or move. Okay, you will give a right click on them after selecting the files or folders, and you will click the option of cut or copy. Now step number 4. Click back button on the window. There's a back button over here. Okay, you have to click on that button on the window to go back to the previous screen. Step number 5. Insert a pen drive in the USB port of a computer. Select removable disk F and right click on it. Click paste option. So in step number 5, you will insert a pen drive in the USB port of the computer, and after that you will select the removable disk F, which will be the pen drive. Okay, it will be shown on this window itself, and after that you will give a right click on it and click paste. After doing this, the files and folders that you had selected earlier to copy or move will be pasted on the pen drive. Okay, thank you. That's all for today. In the next class, I'll be giving you the practical example of these steps. Okay, thank you.